Do you suffer from dark circles that make your face look tired? Have you tried creams to no avail? Check out this tried and true natural recipe that delivers results from the first use. Causes of dark circles. Dark circles can appear for many reasons, including staying up late and lack of sleep, iron and vitamin B12 deficiency, stress, dryness, rubbing the eyes or using the phone for long periods, or even genetic factors. The skin under the eyes is very thin, making the blood vessels more visible, causing this dark appearance. An effective natural recipe: a spoonful of cucumber juice, a spoonful of rose water, a cotton ball. Mix the two ingredients, then soak 2 cotton balls in them and place them under the eyes for 10 minutes daily. Additional recipe: ingredients: cucumber slices, rich in antioxidants and vitamin K. Cucumbers help reduce puffiness and brighten the under eye area. Cold green tea bags loaded with tannins and caffeine. Green tea reduces inflammation and constricts blood vessels. Aloe vera gel, soothing and hydrating. Aloe helps repair skin and reduce pigmentation. How to apply: chill 2 slices of cucumber in the fridge for 10 minutes. Place them over your closed eyes for 15 minutes daily. Alternatively, apply a mix of 1 teaspoon aloe vera gel, a few drops of green tea, under the eyes using a cotton pad. Final tips: don't forget to stay hydrated, sleep well, and avoid rubbing your eyes. For best results, use these remedies daily for at least 2 weeks. Try it out, and let me know how it works for you in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more natural skincare tips.